Hey everyone, welcome. Hope you're all doing great. I'm going to kick things off by answering the question in the video title. The best time to start investing is right now, and it's never too late to take those first steps into the world of investing. The reason for this is something Albert Einstein once called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Now, many of you might be asking, what exactly is compound interest? Well, simply put, it's when your investment earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns of their own. Let's say you start investing with $1,000, and in the first year, you get a 20% return. So, at the end of that first year, you'd have a total of $1,200. Now, assuming in the second year, you reinvest that entire amount, that's the $1,200, and you again get a 20% annual return. Then, in the second year, you'd have $1,440. Over the long run, this effect can have incredible results on your savings. For example, if you start with an initial capital of, let's say, $5,000 and you're able to save an additional $100 per month to add to your investment, earning a 15% return. After 25 years, you'd have a capital of over $450,000. Now, let's imagine that instead of 25 years, you managed to keep this investment going for 30 years. Your capital would then grow to over $900,000. This is why it's so important to start as early as possible. As we've seen, there are three key factors that influence these scenarios: initial capital, regular savings, and the rate of return. The first factor, initial capital, is the money you start with your current savings. The second variable is savings. And this is where personal finance comes into play. It's crucial to be able to save, even if it's just a little bit each month, say $100 or $200 to keep adding to your investments. And the third variable is the rate of return. For folks who don't have enough time or maybe aren't interested in diving deep into how to invest, there are things called ETFs. For example, there's SPY, which basically tracks the performance of the US, and AMP with Ton Sticking Out 500 index. Over the long term, these can generate an annual return of around 8 to 10%. But for those of you who want to try and achieve a higher return than that 8 to 10% annually, I recommend you start learning about stock investing. There are tons of books to get you started. One I recommend for starting with the absolute basics is The 7 Secrets to Investing Like Warren Buffett by Mary Buffett. Or Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street is also excellent for beginners. And on another note, I'll also be uploading new videos sharing and explaining everything I've learned over my 6 years of investing in the stock market. So I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you can catch all those videos as I release them. The important thing to remember is that there are no magic formulas to get rich quick, and this is a slow process that takes a lot of time. And that's why the best time to start investing is right now. Cheers, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.